Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss how to use the presets setting of Sawgrass Print Utility. When working under the Print Settings section of Print Utility you will notice a drop-down menu in the top right corner. This menu offers you a list of common sublimation projects. Selecting any of these options will automatically apply the correct mirror setting and product selection to your design. This offers a quick and easy way to ensure the appropriate settings are applied to your project. Please keep in mind that if you need to make any changes to the paper settings or color settings, you will still need to do so manually. That's all for today. See you next time.